In the heart of Israel's defense industry, a revolutionary weapon is taking shape. As tensions escalate with Iran announcing possible attacks from Iraqi territory, Israel's latest technological marvel, the IronBeam, stands ready to reshape the battlefield. But what makes this $500 million project so special that it's being hailed as the harbinger of a new era in warfare? Picture this: a swarm of drones approaches Israeli airspace on a cloudy morning. Traditional defense systems might struggle, launching expensive interceptor missiles worth $50,000 each. But the IronBeam tells a different story. Silent beams of concentrated light streak across the sky, invisibly but precisely heating vital components of the incoming threats until they simply fail. No explosions, no debris, just quiet efficiency. It heralds the beginning of a new era in warfare, declares Eyal Zamir, Director General of Israel's Defense Ministry. His words carry weight, especially as Israel faces multiple fronts: Gaza, Lebanon, and potential direct confrontation with Iran. The timing couldn't be more critical, with Israeli intelligence warning of imminent Iranian attacks, possibly before the U.S. presidential election on November 5th. The IronBeam represents a quantum leap in defense technology. Unlike its predecessor, the IronDome, which relies on costly interceptor missiles, this ground-based laser system operates at almost zero cost per interception, according to Rafael Advanced Defense Systems. Think of it as the difference between throwing expensive rocks at incoming threats versus using an endless beam of light. As long as you have power, you can keep defending. But what truly sets the IronBeam apart is its genius in handling modern threats. While the IronDome sometimes struggles with small, agile drones due to their minimal radar signatures, the IronBeam's precision lasers don't care about size. Whether it's missiles, drones, rockets, or mortars, if it flies, it dies, assuming clear weather conditions. The system's development hasn't gone unnoticed. The United States, with its Navy's aircraft-destroying lasers, the UK's Dragonfire system, and India's Durga 2, show that major powers are betting on directed energy weapons. Even Iran claims to possess laser weapon capabilities, though experts suggest these are significantly less sophisticated than the IronBeam. As Israel races to make the system operational within the next year, supported by contracts with domestic defense giants Rafael Advanced Defense Systems and Elbit Systems, the world watches. The Pentagon's recent deployment of additional assets to the region, including destroyers, fighter squadrons, and B-52 bombers, underscores the volatile situation. Here's the twist that makes this story even more compelling. While Israel's IronBeam prepares for deployment, reports suggest Iran possesses the Chinese-manufactured Silent Hunter laser weapon. As these two technological titans potentially face off, the question isn't just about military superiority. It's about whether we're witnessing the last days of traditional missile warfare. The IronBeam's development comes at a crucial moment. Following Israel's recent airstrikes near Tehran in retaliation for Iran's October 1st barrage of over 200 missiles, the stakes couldn't be higher. As Israeli Prime Minister Netanyahu asserts Israel's ability to reach anywhere in Iran as needed, the IronBeam stands as a testament to how far defense technology has and hints at where it's going. But perhaps the most intriguing aspect of this story remains classified. While we know the system can target threats from hundreds of meters to several kilometers away, the full capabilities of the IronBeam remain shrouded in secrecy. Sources suggest its power consumption and actual range might surpass anything publicly acknowledged, potentially making it the most advanced laser defense system ever deployed.